to get. Oh my god, I think Haunted Manor is the perfect den for jammers who like creepy rooms, haunted trees, and other spooky devices. It's one of the mysterious ones. Oh my god, let's go. Why does it take you? Okay, we're here. Let's go to the Phantom Vortex. Where is it? Oh my god, it's so heavy! Yeah, oh my god, I see the Phantom Vortex! Let's go inside! Oh, look, let's play the game! It's loading! Wait! Here we go! Protect your candy! Okay, yeah, we get it! Shut up! Don't. What do we do? What? What do we do? What is that lightning thing? Ah, the Phantom! Run away from the Phantom!